In a world of fleeting trends and mass production, there are still places where craftsmanship lives on, not in factories, but in the hands of expert artisans. Unlike steel or stone, wood is a living material. It breathes, it decays, it burns. And yet, despite its fragility, Burmese woodcrafts have captured hearts of centuries. Why? Because every curve, every chisel mark, every polished edge tells a story. In the misty hills of northern Shan State, in a quiet village called Tain Chay Tain San near Hsipaw, lives a man who brings wood to life. He does not use machines, no fancy workshop, just his hands, his eyes, his memory, and wood. Every curve, every wrinkle, every line of a muscle is born from memory. He does not rush, because this is not just art, it is devotion. The art of wood carving in Myanmar dates back over 1,000 years. From the Pure era to the Pagan dynasty, skilled hands have shaped everything from royal thrones to temple gables. Burmese woodcraft is dimensionally and deeply expressive. No surface is too small for detail. No story too humble to be honored. He is carving an elephant, not from a mold, not from a plant, but from something deeper, an image passed down through 10 generations, etched in his heart. He has been doing this for as long as he can remember. His father carved, his grandfather too. Each carving not just a figure, but a piece of themselves, left in the grain. In Burmese culture, the elephant is a symbol of strength, wisdom, and calm power. Carving is a sacred act, one that demands patience, humility, and skill. This is his studio, the home compound, open to the wind and rain. Here, nature and tradition blend seamlessly, just like the figures he brings out of the timber. His tools are simple. Over 50 types of chisels exist in Burmese tradition. He uses only a few, but he knows their every weight and edge like an extension of his body. To carve an elephant from a solid block of teak takes time and patience. 10 to 12 days of steady hands, chiseling inch by inch, revealing form from within the wood. The process is slow, deliberate. Every curve of the trunk, every fold of the skin, every gentle sway of the tail shaped with care and memory. But the work doesn't stop there. Once the form is complete, a final touch of color, detail, and polish begins. The painting and finishing take another 3 to 4 days, bringing the piece to life. In the end, it's not just a carving, it's a 16-day devotion, an elephant, not just seen, but felt. Shan State is home to the Thai people, whose culture is steeped into Buddhism, animism, and a deep reverence for the natural world. It has a long history of craftsmanship. Among its artisanal traditions, wood carving stands out, blending Burmese, Shan, Thai, and even Lana influences due to historical connection with northern Thailand and Laos.
ใต้เขียนไปไหนว่ามันบ่รู้อันนั้นมาเฮ็ดเข่งกันนั่นเขาเฮ็ดที่แก่หรือว่าเมียนทิ้งอ่อนนี่เกลียบกว่านี้มานะนั่นก็ต่อยเอากันเตียกมันมีหมานะก็ต่อยตากๆนี่เนียนเขาหลุมมีหมาจังได๋รู้มันตึกหมาตึกมักนะนี่มีมักนะมันครับโอ้ก็หำแก้มอะไรไม่นะในขณะโกกับเอาไม่นะตั้งแต่มันเปียกหน่อยไม่ชอบนะน้องเปียกหน่อย
Wood carving in Shan State isn't just about decoration. It's deeply spiritual. Step into any Shan Buddhist temple and you'll find it. Pillars, dolls, altars, all carved from teak. Each surface alive with intricate stories. But it's not just temples. Even nat shrines and village totems bear carvings, representing guardian spirit, ancestor, and unseen protectors that still watch over everyday life. The hands behind these carvings are often those of men who inherited the craft from fathers and grandfathers before them. It's a tradition passed down quietly from one generation to the next. More than skill, it's legacy. In villages near Nhau Shui, Galaw, and Hsipaw, you'll still find young boys learning in monastic schools or small family workshops, surrounded by wood shavings, guided by patient elders, learning to see shapes hidden inside the teak. The survival of Burmese woodcraft depends on more than just preservation. It depends on passing it on to future generations, to curious hearts, to those who see not just wood, but wisdom. Today, Burmese woodcraft is reaching new shores. Collectors, tourists, and art lovers are all captivated by the elegance and meaning behind every piece. Today, some artisans carve not just for temples, but for travelers too. Miniature Buddhas, spirit animals, delicately etched panels, small pieces of Shanso, ready to be carried across the world. In every curl of wood, every etched line, every stroke of chisel lives a legacy. Burmese woodcraft is not just art, it is identity, it is devotion, it is a language of beauty passed through generations. This elephant will soon leave the village. It will live in a home far away, but it carries something more than shape. It carries the touch of one man, one village, 1,000 years of memory.